so good. It feels so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. So in today's video, I am going to be trying out a new product. It's been a while, I think, since I've tried out a new product. I had my curl box, and so I stopped getting that. If you haven't seen that video, I'll have that linked up here. But so it's time for me to try something new. So if you see my fall wash day routine, then I was using Kinky Curly, which was getting real low. So I went to re-up on Kinky Curly. They didn't have any at Target, so I picked up this Shea Moisture Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no that PHTH word, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no animal testing, all that good stuff. This has coconut oil, Kokum butter, Kokum, whatever, and plant peptides. Anyway, it's from their coconut custard Make It Last wash and go line. Now they do have a shampoo and a conditioner and a gel. I did not use any of those other products, and I'll tell you why. The gel is like a gel oil, and I read the jar and it said soft hold and it was really slimy, and I already knew if I reviewed that it was going to be a bad review because that's not what works for my hair. So I am just going to be using this, and we are going to see how it works. It's also sulfate free and color safe. So I have my hair already sectioned off in 4 sections. This is what it looks like. I do already have the ApHogee reconstructor in it, which is a spray leave-in. But I'm just gonna section this off and go in with this curl primer and see how it does on my hair. I like the packaging, that it's like the squeeze. I don't know, I'm not gonna go in with a lot. This is literally all I got right here. Ooh, it's like it's like slimy gooey. Interesting. I'm excited to see how this does on my hair. The consistency of it, I can use a little bit more. Ooh, it smells good. It smells good. It does have a pretty strong smell, but I like it. So, I mean, it has like a almost, like if you think of like a light leave-in, but with like a mixed with the cream, that, I don't know if that makes any sense. But it's like a mix between like a jelly type feel and a cream type feel. And it is going on my hair really, really well. Really smooth. It has really good slip. Let's see what it's doing to the curls. Seems to be doing all right on the curls. I'm gonna go in with my dimming brush also. Okay. Now it's very, it's very hydrating to my hair. Like, it feels really, really good going on. The definition isn't amazing. Let me look at the jar. The directions say, squeeze out excess water before applying to clean, damp hair. Work from roots to end using the shingling method. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I will shingle, but I'm gonna wait till I put my gel on. I'm just gonna go in with this. That feels really good. It's really moisturizing my hair. The definition isn't amazing, but I do like the feel of it. So yeah, let me keep going. I'm gonna continue to do small sections and just work this curl primer through, and then when I'm finished putting the curl primer around my entire head, I'm gonna go in with some gel and do some shingling and see how it ends up looking. section. As I kept going, it did start to give me a little bit of definition. I don't know if this is a part down here that's doesn't really curl well for me, so maybe that's why I didn't see much definition there, but it's got some shine to it. It's defined, so, and it feels like it's so moisturizing and it feels really good on my hair. So right now I am a fan. I can get my definition and my hold from my gel, but as a curl primer, I'm a fan. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and then I'll put the gel in. Okay, so I've got the curl primer all throughout my hair. I took my sections down just so y'all could see, but I am getting a little definition, and as it dries, I don't know, I feel like I'm getting a little bit of hold too. So I really like this stuff. I like definitely how moisturizing it is. Like, my hair is so moisturized right now. The slip is great for like finger detangling and running my Denman brush through my hair, and I'm getting a little bit of definition, so, and some shine. So I am going to show y'all what it looks like as I put the gel on. I'm going to go in with a little bitty section, and I am going to shingle and use some gel. So the gel I'm going to be using is the Wetline. Every time I go to show this gel, it pretty much falls out of my hand. I'm going to be using the Wetline Extreme Gel. And I'm going to be taking a pretty decent amount, starting at my roots and pulling that down, which feels really good, going on top right now of that curl primer. Really good. Okay, yes, that's what I like to see. So I am gonna go ahead and shingle. Okay, so I've shingled a little bit. This is what it looks like. It looks good, it feels good. It's fairly shiny. All right, so it's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and do that through the rest of my hair. All right, you guys, it's raining outside. It's literally thunderstorming outside, so if you hear rain, I'm sorry in the background. But I have now got gel and whoa. I now have gel and I shingled my whole head. I'm gonna let y'all see what it looked like. Okay, so I got one word for this. Juicy. My curls are so juicy. And I gotta say it's the primer. I mean, they just are super juicy. You know? Shiny. I hope this is showing on camera. Like, I hope y'all see how juicy my curls are. I am liking this. Now, if this dries well and it also dries moisturized, me and this right here, we may have to be friends, okay? We may have to be friends. Now, one more thing before I go. Well, before I see y'all tomorrow. This is called Make It Last Wash and Go, right? And it says on the back, love your wash and go, but wish it would last longer. Then it says our 5-step Make It Last system is the answer. This cream gel primer for the hair allows curls to be tangle-free, defined, and prepped. So, I'm also going to take note of how my hair does throughout the week. So I may come back tomorrow, the next day. I normally don't go more than 5 days for wash and go, just because I have to wash my hair pretty much twice a week. But I'm gonna see how this actually lasts as well. I know I didn't use the whole 5-step process, but if I do see a difference, I want to let y'all know. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry for the rest of the day, and then I will probably blow dry my roots if they are still wet, and then I'm gonna stretch my hair, come back tomorrow, let y'all see what it looks like, and we will go from there. Okay, y'all, it's the next day, and this is my hair. My hair, first of all, feels so good and so moisturized. I definitely love that stuff as far as the moisture and just the hydration that it gives my hair. My hair is so defined. It's probably because of the shingling and the product, but I didn't stretch my hair the way I normally stretch my hair. I used the blow dryer this time, so I don't have as much stretch as I normally get, but I actually like the shape of it. The shine, I don't think y'all can really tell, but the shine is still here. I really do like it, and I don't know price wise, I think it's a little bit cheaper maybe than Kinky Curly. So I can't believe I'm saying this, but I may be replacing Kinky Curly with this right here. I don't know. I'm gonna come on here for the next few days, let you guys see what it's looking like. But this is day 1 hair. I'm gonna turn around and let y'all see the back. Definitely feeling this product, but let's see how it does for the rest of the week. All right, y'all, it is day 2. Day 2, I have worked out today, and this is my hair. Definition still on 10,000 million. Still got a little bit of shine on the ends. I mean, I worked out, so I am getting a little bit of frizz, but y'all, like, I still love how my hair looks. Day 2, not bad. I wouldn't expect anything really that much different on day 2. But yes, day 2 hair. I'll let y'all see the back. Okay, so I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3 to see how it's holding up. All right, you guys, it is day 3. And I think this is my favorite day. It's day 3, and my hair, it's finally kind of like, I don't know, getting some more volume to it. But my curls, literally, y'all, the definition is still there. Like, and it's not even like maybe there, maybe not. No, the definition is still there. Now, y'all know these pieces of my hair don't really curl, but like all up and through here, y'all, this definition is still here. This wash and go now, it's lasting. It's lasting. I'm gonna let y'all see the back on day 3. Let y'all see what it looks like tomorrow. and then we may have to wash it. But if you're one of those people who can go 7 days, I think you could probably get 7 days out of one of these wash and goes. And it still look good, like good. All right, so I'll see y'all tomorrow on day 4. Hey guys, so it is day 4, and this is my hair now. I'm gonna tell y'all, I got a little carried away yesterday. It felt so good outside, so I was riding with like all the windows down, sunroof open, and my hair like this. But even with that, y'all, I could probably get another day out of this. Now, the crazy thing is, like, the definition is still crazy. Like, I'm just, now I do have some frizz. Of course, I just told y'all, I was riding around the city, brand new whip. Not a brand new whip, but I don't know. Anyway, I was riding around the city with all the stuff down, and my hair was just blowing in the wind. But my hair still, like I said, I could still get another day out of this. And so today is wash day. I'm about to actually wash my hair. I will say that this has made it last. Like, the wash and go has lasted. I see my wash and goes kind of get a little on day 3 sometimes. So I'm happy about this, and I really like that product, and I am gonna continue to use that product going forward. So I'm gonna let y'all see the back again. I think I could get maybe another day, and then a puff day. But my hair is, I mean, it's starting to get a little dry in some places, but it's still really soft and fluffy. So yeah, y'all, this is it. That's all I got for y'all, day 4. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, y'all, it's free. It helps me. So if you like this video at all, if it helped you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.